What's going on, everybody? So we got the Ego 56 volt multi-head electric snow shovel. You can actually detach the bottom section and put on either like a roller or tree trimmer or chainsaw or whippersnipper head. But anyways, we're gonna try this out. We got some snow there last night. It's a little dense. It's not fully crust, but it was a wet, packy snow there earlier, so anytime you step on it, it clumps up pretty dense. So we're gonna do the walkway, and then we're gonna go up to the top of the stairs here, and we're gonna do the back patio. And it moves along pretty quick. The best way I found to operate one of these is don't try and carry it all the time unless you don't have to. You can just go back and forth like this. So if I'm gonna do this, as you can see, I did that whole section pretty quick, and then you just kind of take your step forward and you do it again. So we moved quite a bit there. I mean, you can do a complete pass and then walk back and forth, but I find just kind of like mopping the area is the best solution for me. Also, if you're up against the wall or something like that, right here on the head unit, you can switch the directions the snow flies out. So you can switch it to the right or switch it to the left or have it in the center. All right, so let's get this walkway done. I'm gonna switch it over to the right here so it kind of blows away from the stairs. As you can see here, I don't know if you can see the tree in the camera angle. Tree's at least 20-25 feet away, and it's hitting the tree pretty good. Now I'm not going to do the stairs with this just because it's an awkward, long-handled tool. So we'll go up to the top, we'll do the top section, and all right, we got a few obstacles here. I got a patio table and a couple barbecues. So I'm gonna have to go up and around them. So we're gonna see what we can do here. And So if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button or heart button, hit subscribe or follow along for future content, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.